Hey everybody, welcome to the nightly vid, and it's actually coming out in the morning, so we're going to try and keep it short. What we talked about yesterday was the 2-2 on a Tuesday, and what did we get? We got that. So there's your 2 up, 2 down spy on a Tuesday. What's that trying to do? Potentially an outside week, because you can see we are 2 up but red, which tells us potential 3, as long as we continue to reconfirm that. So we're going to continue to look for that, and you can see on like a 2-day chart, you might get this 3-2-2 anytime we continue below yesterday's lows, 586.78. If you go to IBM, that's a 2-2 on a Tuesday. Yep, down they go. So still good. Where are they going? Down there. You got Dow Jones. Is that a 1-2-2 on a Tuesday? It is. It was still a little bit stronger than the rest yesterday. It was the last one to break. But that being said, we'd still like to see that continue. And then if we go to the Qs, 2-2 on a Tuesday. And the cool thing about that yesterday was on the 30s. How do you get in on that? Well, here's your gap up, 2-2-30 back down right there. Right there in the Qs to give you the outside 60. And that occurred with NVIDIA. You're going to see big old puker in NVIDIA yesterday. So we'll be watching NVIDIA. Do we get the 3-2 continuation? Gauging that magnitude. We'd like to see this go down and to the other side of this range, potentially giving us an outside month. And if we reclaim this 3, we'll go the other way. But that being said, as far as setups are concerned, we will see on the TheStratAttack, we got some energy. So energy numbers coming out today. XLE starts off 2 up, 2 up to start the week. And so you can see it's not really doing too much in here, but is going up. XOP, same thing. OIH, same thing. You got these nice broadening formations you're trading back through. That tells us to look at Oxy. What you're going to see is hammer on the month coming off the bottom of this range with full time frame continuity. And we will see if that wants to continue or not today with energy numbers on the 30-60 flip. EQNR. You're going to see as well, which currently looks like it's gapping down slightly this morning, but it is also 2-2 month, and they went after it to start the week. So we'll see what happens there on the gap list. And then I believe it was Shell on there, which you're going to see also gapping down a little bit this morning. So there's a chance this could change. Again, the energies aren't the strongest thing in the world, but we're going to be watching those with the numbers today on the 30-60 flip. We also did see, some healthcares trading higher, at least a little bit. You see like GEHC, 2 up, 2 up to start the week, and 2-2 on the month. So stronger in there. If we go to Myrna, you're going to see similar. So inside month and up in Myrna here, and they started up to start the week, and you'll have a broadening formation in here, a pretty big one. Potentially, if that's going to work, anytime you're above this, 47 this month, we'll like to know about that. If we go to BMRN, you're also going to see a slight inside month and up. And if that fails, right, this is a little bit of a weaker one on the yearly basis, but another one we see just slightly, and then TMO also inside month and up to start the new month. So we'll see what can come of that. And we will also then see on the TheStratAttack some bearish setups. LMT. You see momentum shooter on the day, 2 down, 2 down to start the week. This is a 2-2 reversal quarter, and you'll see pivot machine gun. So that's definitely something you want to know about, and this is probably one of the higher up on the list. If we get continuation down today, we'll see NOC. Also, slight momentum shooter down in here at the lows, and you will notice same thing. You got this nice big monthly broadening formation. You can see didn't quite make the all-time highs, but here's your triangle. So they're trying to go down there and take these guys out. If we go to GD, you're going to have inside day. So this will confirm or negate the defense sector, and you'll see a double inside 2-week pattern and down. If we go on a monthly basis or quarterly basis, we'll see 3-2 quarter if they can stay anywhere below 257.43, which would reclaim all these highs back in here. And then RTX will also be the inside day to confirm and negate the defense sector, which starts the week off pretty weak here. Inside day, up or down, we'll be watching that. And then you will see similarly on the quarter, that's a 2-2 reversal quarter. So we'll definitely be watching the defense sector there. And then we've got a few, so CNC. You're going to see here starts as hammer month and up, and if that's going to confirm and negate, you got this inside day above 6319 if they're going to get it going. And then CP, this is another one just on the 2-2 month, starting off the week and new month pretty strong. So you see bright green on the month, 2-2 reversal, 2 up to start the week. So there's your strat attack. And outside of that, we got a few setups. FNV, potentially a 3-2-2. It is opening inside day, so we'll see. You will have BSX, which is momentum hammer. And you will see inside month up momentum. And when we go to a yearly basis, it's just been on a tear. If we go to flex, there's a giga shooter in here and big old poke up into the highs, and then shooter potentially 2-2 reversal below this stuff, 4090. Never traded that one before, but we'll see. And then PFE, we did see a lot of the healthcares go up today and also or yesterday, and go shooter back in. So you'll see PFE doing that. Maybe the healthcares go 2-2 and give us this big PMG. Then biotechs, you're gonna see a bit of a shooter in there as well. So we'll definitely be watching to see, although they didn't do it yesterday, do they do it today and reconfirm the fact, most of the market went down yesterday in the healthcare sector. And GEV, the last one, and this one's actually gonna be a hammer again, opening inside day, so we'll see. But you will notice this is inside month and up, bright green to start the month. So if they do start going after the buy in here, you see potentially maybe they go gap down buy, something we'd want to know about. Outside of that, on the gappers yesterday, we had some stuff like Lulu and Alta that are going to be added to the universe. So Lulu, that's a 2-2 on a Wednesday, which would negate the week below that daily magnitude. And you will notice they gonna have the lower high there, but here's your triangle. Can we come back through that with Alta? So the white girl stocks. Alta, this was a nice gap up sell yesterday on the gap list that we played. And this was a late add to the gap list after the open, but you'll see 2260 here, 441, trading 427. So we'll see, do we get the 3-2 pivot machine gun? That's definitely something to know about. So that being said, that's what we got for the nightly vid. We will have the gap analysis coming out this morning, which will include some of those names as well as others. And if you played the gaps yesterday, you will see ROST. That's a beauty, right? 2-2, puke. If you go to RNG, that's a kicker. Yeah, puke takes the month down. So we got a few names in there that we did get a hold of. But that's all I got for you guys this morning in the nightly morning vid. And I hope you guys have a good trading day.